What up? It's Alan here, and today we're gonna be playing one of these two video games. We're gonna be playing the two of them. So let's first play first Temple Run. As you can see, I just downloaded it now, and I'm just gonna play. I downloaded now. That's what I said. Again. Alright, let's go. So cool, the first one loading and all of that. So cool. Come on, I have no time for that. Play. The heck? Alright. Okay. Learning. Slide. What's next? Kinda like this game. It's cool. Slide. Slide down. I know that. So cool. Jump. Slide. Oh, you have to. Let's go. Forget it. So cool. Double tapping. You are ready. You're ready for what? To die? Miss it by what the fuck? Miss it by that much. Alright, okay. It's just ready. I'm like, ready for what? I'm like, I die and then like, ready for what? To die? Slide. So cool. Slide. Where's that? Whoa! What the heck? Harder than it looks. Run again. Slide again with them. Oh, I almost missed it. I think I suck. Well, let's just head to a little game. Subway Surf. Ooh. Okay. I like this one too. Here's a tip. Unlock tricky by collecting specific character tokens. Okay. Whoa! Hamster Subway Surfer score 000. Whoa. What is the sound? There's no sound. There's no sound. Wait. Pause. Setting. There we go. It was sound off. There you go. People want to see sounds for this game. Not quite like the library. Double tap for her. However. What the heck? We just get a... Oh god. The police though. So cool. My hoverboard is not there anymore. I don't have it anymore. 100 point. Oh dang it! I died. I was gonna read that, but I missed it. Oh, my new high score. 1,190. No, thank you. I meant to jump. Lol. Whoa, what is that? We're in the roof. Picked up 2 powerboats mission. Get. Run. Oh, we're spelling the word run. What is this? Do nothing. Oh. N. There we go. Run. Spell it already. Getting good. Actually getting good. And it goes fast when you stay a lot. When you like live more. Let's see what happens. Oh, jetpack! Whoa! Mission master. Okay. What the heck? Super jump? Mission set complete. This is super jump. Oh, the question mark. 10. Okay. I knew it. Okay. I got arrested. Tap to. What is that? I'm rich. Touch. What is this? Heck? People that want to see this. Well, 5 seconds. Fuck. Why it doesn't show my whole camera? I mean, the whole screen. that's a game. Oops. Wrong game. There we go. 2,000 coins. I'm rich. And a new high score, 9,689. Oh, I'm rich. More? I'm really rich. Oh, question mark. Whoa. So the question mark give you like those. Oh, you can teleport. Oh, again. Oh, I was supposed to jump. Key. DJ Khaled's added keys. Collect 200 coins. Mission complete. Question mark again. We're gonna get. Whoa! So fast. Now boot. Oh no. Okay. We're gonna leave the video here. I hope you enjoy and bye bye.
Do you want to eat chips or pizza?